Hello, fellow classmates and teachers. This is my final engineering project. I'm doing it on my wooden toy. Here are some ideas and options. First was the biplane. It is a plane structure model with wings that are attached to each other and with a turbine in the front. The second is the Strand Wheeler. It is a two-story strip with an engine at its back and also two steam tubes at the top story. The third one was the general train. It has a unique shaped front called the cowcatcher and also a flashlight shaped body and wheels that vary in size. And I chose this to do the general train for my CAD. Here is the brief story of the general train. The general train was built in 1855 by Rogers, Qiang, and Grosvenor in Paterson, New Jersey, provided passenger service during the Civil War, and it was arguably the first train ever hijacked during the great locomotive chase during the Civil War. Here is my plan of my project. First, I sketch out all the measurements and pieces in my notebook. These are the instructions that were given to me, including the measurements and screenshots and descriptions of my pieces. Then I will cut out all the pieces in Creo Parametric. This is my model tree. Then I will assemble the small pieces into bigger pieces. This is my model tree. And lastly, I will assemble all my pieces together to create my final CAD model. Here is my computer ed design. This is my notebook sketch from CAD. I captured this from the notebook sketch tool in Creo Parametric. And this is a screenshot of my final CAD model with colors. This is my cat movie. My cat model wasn't meant to move, so in this 10-second clip, what I did was I spun the cat model around horizontally and vertically to show you my cat model in all views. Here are all the features that I used to CAD my model in Creo Parametric. They include sketch, extrude, revolve, chamfer, datum plane, round, shell, hole, and etc. Here are all the features that I used to create my cat model, and there were three features that I was interested in. The first one was chamfer. There are two types of chamfer. The first type was even chamfer. The second type was uneven chamfer. The second feature was revolve. To revolve a piece, go to sketch, use the centerline tool. You only need half the sketch, then quit sketch, go to revolve tool, type in 360 degrees, and your piece will look like the picture on the right. The last interesting feature is the datum plane. I like this feature because only 4 different planes were given to you originally in Creo, but to create a new unique plane, first you can use this translation tool, enter the distance that you want your plane to slide up and down. The second option is the angle offset. Enter the degree that you want your plane to adjust its angle. Bill of materials. Average Honolulu hourly wage is $7.25. The time that I spent working on this project was 8 hours and 30 minutes. Total money spent $61.63. Prototype market price $69.99. The profit that I'm going to earn will be $8.36. Here are some problems that I had when working on CAD. First was creating the cat movie. I had to use the Cam Studio tool to capture my screen and then upload it to YouTube in order to re-upload it to Prezi. Second, I had to calculate the prototype measurements since each measurement had to be accurate or else the model wouldn't look as smooth as it is. Lastly, time management. We were given 2 weeks to complete this project, but because all the activities that I had a hard time organizing and managing my time. Conclusion, this project was a fun experience. This class taught me the importance of time management, communication, and many other skills required in engineering field. I'm satisfied with what I learned and will continue down this road. Lastly, thank you and have a nice summer.